Who is a data analyst? Data analysts gather, analyze, and translate data into insights. By describing trends and patterns, they assist organizations to make better business decisions. Their ability to identify, anticipate, and improve performance has put them in increasingly higher demand globally and across industries. Data analysis provides for the assessment of data through logical and rational thinking to lead to the effect or conclusion within a stipulated context. It is a multifaceted process that requires a number of ways, advances, and different techniques. The way you handle this process depends mostly on the kind of information available for analysis and the purpose of the investigation. Data analysts interpret numbers in the simplest ways. They deliver value to their companies by getting data about particular issues and then understanding, analyzing, and presenting findings in extensive studies. So, if you have the ability to gather information from different sources, analyze the information, collect hidden insights, and make reports, you can function as a data analyst. As experts, data analysts are frequently called on to apply their skills and instruments to support competitive reasoning and determine trends within industries. Typically, a data analyst has in-depth education on statistics, information analytics with R, SAS, Excel, SQL, and Python. Data analysts also work closely with other researchers to develop new models and tools that will help them solve problems. They use statistical techniques to identify patterns in data and provide recommendations for future research. Statistics is the term used to summarize the process that the data analyst uses to distinguish the data set. Statistical analysis involves the process of collecting and assessing data and then summarizing the information into the numerical structure. Other data analysis skills include critical thinking, data visualization, the ability to understand the analytical function, teamwork, and communication.